everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 14 of the Christmas Advent calendar filled with yarn. So let's get into day 14 because I can't wait. I just want to open them all up, but I gotta have some self-control because they are just fantastic and I'm only on day 14 and I have till the 25th. Oh my goodness. It's gonna drive me nuts, I tell you. Really crazy waiting. 14. And here we go. I don't want to look. And I want to look. Let's look together. Whoa! Look at that. Holy moly. Look at those colors. Oh, wow. Now those are bright colors. And that's what it pretty much is right there. Yeah, that's the color. And it's so soft. It's like Bernat blanket. Oh my gosh, this I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna do something. I don't know what, but I'm gonna do something. Actually, you know what I might make is a little quick cat blanket, because my cats, well, my cat and my daughter's cat, our cat is right over there on the couch. Her name is Ginger, and she's a light ginger orange, and she just loves the Bernat blankets. I have a big blanket on my couch that is like a hot pink and gray, and then it has the what do you call that, fringy stuff at the end, and she loves it. So does my daughter's cat, which his name is Hank, and they both love it. So they have a cat bed by the window and another one over there by that window. So I'm thinking, well, I'll make a blanket to put in one, because the other one is like a pre-med bed and it has flannel in that. So the one over here, I'll make it into a cat bed, a cat blanket. Sorry, I keep saying bed. Cat blanket. They will absolutely love that. So soft. It's perfect. Perfect. And that is, oh, no, I lied. There's something else in the bag. Let's take a look here. Look. Okay, let's read this. This is Nestea. I believe that says Nestea. Aero S'mores. A warm hug on a cold day. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. So, oh wow, that is going to be delicious. Myself, I don't drink hot chocolate, cocoa, or anything like that, because I don't like warm hot chocolate. Like, I don't like chocolate in liquid form, I guess. I don't like chocolate milkshakes. I don't like chocolate milk. I don't like hot chocolate. So my husband and my daughter are going to fight for this because they both love it. And those flavors, oh yum. Aero's delicious. So once again, that was a great day. I enjoyed it so much. I can't wait for day 15 to come. So come on back and join me for day 15 all the way up to 25. And everybody have a wonderful Christmas season and stay safe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. There you get a nice close-up of me. See ya.